and gentlemen, it's your favorite girl again, Tessie Gold of the Good Life, the pretty one, and the irreplaceable Dummy. And this is Real CDM TV. All right, today I have by my side, Dafidi. All right, welcome, Dafidi. I mean, you're giving luxury. You're giving 1,000 over 100. I mean, you're giving. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Oh my God! All right. So, as the director of this movie, yeah. So, what were your challenges?
I believe you're a media person.
Yeah.
We have to face the challenges ourselves.
Mm.
I didn't see it as challenge because it's my work.
Mm.
Definitely, I wrote the story.
Mm.
MB Production bring up the story.
Okay.
I wrote it.
Okay.
You know, I'm the one that write it. I
Okay.
definitely I know what I want to do already.
Mm.
I didn't see anything as a challenge.
It's a courage for me. I wrote it. You're a media person. I didn't see anything as challenge there. I chased the challenge. So you chased the challenge, Abby. Nice one.
Yeah.
All right. So can you quickly tell us, just brief us more about the short story?
Yeah. Normally it's love cracks.
Okay.
You know, when people hear about love crash, they'll feel maybe it's a relationship stuff.
Mm.
Definitely love can crack in any way.
Anyway.
Your brother can betray you, your
Mm.
mother can betray you,
True.
anybody can betray you.
Mm.
Definitely what you guys want to watch now, I would say you won't understand
Okay.
until you start watching like episode 2,
Okay,
episode
3.
it's full of let me say suspense.
Ooh.
You don't know what happened.
Mm.
You're just seeing everything, you know. Don't let me brief you.
Okay, that means we have different episodes. This is just the beginning.
Yeah, episode-
Watch out. Watch out for different episodes. Episode 1 to watch, we'll be expecting.
Definitely is endless for now.
Endless. God, is this courage for me? Dafidi, I don't like your courage. You're too courageous and I don't like it. All right, thank you very much,
Yeah.
Dafidi, for coming to my red carpet.
This is my cameraman.
Okay.
Someone that is in charge of
Okay,
the
hi.
Come. He's the one that shoot every angle.
Really? The camera guy, you shot all the angles. You did a nice job. I saw the trailer and I was like, wow, it's nice. Well done. Well done. Can I have a handshake, please?
Yeah.
Well done, Agba. Well done. Well done. Okay, the cameraman. What's your name, please?
Dreams.
Dreams. Oh, Jesus. These people are making me have goosebumps. I don't like it. Dreams. Really? And you have a great dream.
Yeah.
You did a nice work on Dafidi.
Yeah, sure. He's a great director. He did well.
Wow. All right. Thank you very much at Dreams for your great work. I mean, you're going somewhere. You're going places. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Wait.
She self-share by decision.
Okay.
She self-share by decision.
She said share. She said share by decision. She said share by decision. She said share.
All right. Thank you very much at Dafidi at Dreams. Thank you for coming to my red carpet. I really appreciate. See you and hope we all have fun tonight.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much.